friends, welcome back for math today. We're going to do lesson 8.11. We are eventually going to turn to page 217 in your math journal. Our first couple of questions are just warming up here doing some mental math. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 12. Yes. All right. How about 6 plus 8? Write that one down maybe on a sheet of paper here. 6 plus 8. 14? Yes! All right, again, way to go, guys. Here we go. 8 plus 7. Well, I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 1 has got to be 15. Oh, those double stacks, they do help. Good work. All right, let's try it again. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9. I think that is 14. Let's check. Yes. All right. Here we go. 7 plus 9. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 2 has got to be 16. Nice. Now they're double stacked here, friends. 8 plus 5. Well, if 5 plus 9 was 14, 8 plus 5 has got to be 1 less, 13. Good work, friends. Keep it up. All right. Now we're subtracting 17 minus 8. I know 16 minus 8 is 8 because that's a doubles fact. So the 17 minus 8 would be 9. Yes. All right. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. Well, I know that 16 minus 8 is 8. So 16 minus 7 has got to be 9. Yes. All right. 17 minus 9. I know that 18 minus 9 is 9, so 17 minus 9 has got to be 1 less, 8. All right, on a roll, friends. We're going to go on to our next question. And this is in your math journal. We're going to be doing some drawing. We're going to be thinking about the number of sides our shapes have. So we are to draw these shapes. Draw a shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. All right, well, 3 sides makes me think of a like a tricycle has 3 wheels. A shape that has 3 sides is a triangle, and it's got to have 3 sides and 3 angles. All right, done. All right, now it says draw a shape with 1 or 2 pairs of parallel sides. Now, parallel sides are like lines on a road or train tracks. They never cross. So I think of that would be a set of parallel sides. That's one set because parallel lines come in sets like socks come in sets of 2. So here's parallel lines. They do not cross. That's one set. That's one pair. If I make it a rectangle, now these lines, they also don't cross. So a rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. What about a trapezoid? What about a trapezoid? A trapezoid would have 1, 2, that would be 2 lines. That would be a pair of parallel sides, 1 pair of parallel sides. How about the side part over here? Are they parallel? No, they will intersect. Eventually, if it kept going, they would intersect right up here. So a trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel sides, where a rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Now let's think of this one. Draw a shape with 1 right angle. Now, I know that you don't have one of these at home, but I always think of those orange squares because a right angle is 90 degrees. It has to have 1 right angle. So this would be my right angle. Could a triangle have a right angle? Right here. That is my right angle, friends. How about my rectangle? How many right angles would that have? That would be 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. Now, what if I go back to this triangle? What would this have? Those two angles are smaller, are less than 90 degrees, so they are acute. They are acute angles. Friends, you've done such a great job. Thanks for listening. I hope your day is great. We miss you.